So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this character morph transition that works with any slide design. So to start, go to Insert, Text Box, and add in your primary text box, just like this. Then paste in your text. Here I'll just be using some random placeholder text. Now you can format and place this text anywhere and design your slide as you please, and the effect or transition will still work. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's just increase the size, center align it, decrease the size of the text box, and position this in the middle by going to Align and Align Center, and then Align Middle. Now, once our first slide is ready, go ahead and create a new slide. And here, of course, you can have any number of text boxes, and the character morph transition will still work. So for this, I'll just go ahead and add in 2 text boxes on either side of the slide, just like that. Now, once this is ready, you can go ahead and select both of these slides, go to Transitions, and select Morph. Now, go to Effect Options, and change this to Characters. Now, let us see how this transition works. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.